welcome to Wood City 6 here today.
Right, so here we are, our new Wood City. It has been improved, obviously, because it's a new one.
So there's one big main tower here.
And then there's 2 or 3 little,
Yeah.
they're not little.
There's another
One's
tower there.
almost, I think it's about the same height as me.
Yes, that one's the same height as Ethan there.
And the Jenga towers.
Oh yes, let's have a look at the Jenga towers here.
It's a long time.
And it took a very long time to build, with about 5 or 6 hours, like last time. There is Larry Lego, the mayor of Wood City.
Right, his beloved cow.
His beloved cow, yes, and his beloved monkey as well this time. And he's got security there. And just a random block there. And he was in Wood City 1, that little chap there. And these are the people that are listening to his speech. He's just given a speech now, so hopefully nothing will go wrong here.
Hopefully no towers will collapse.
There's the famous chicken that we saw in the last episode and the episode before that. And there's a man there. Oh yes, and there is going to be a camera inside the building when it comes down. There it is.
So
It's a little, it's very little, but
quite-
it actually takes video, so that's the good thing. Protected by a shed and
A wooden shed.
right there. Here we go. And there's the train, happily pleasing passengers there.
So there we are, that's basically it for now. There we go, so that goes along and crashes into there.
You say about your car park there?
Yes, and then the Andrew's building there that he built, which did take quite a long time.
And somewhere there is a train called Albert, as he was once described by the mayor. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh yes. That's just easy.
Okay, complete devastation here with City. See. Famous chicken. This is devastation.
And all this camera is still playing.